Good day student, I am your Megha teacher. Last video we were started our new lesson odd in 1. Today we will continue this lesson. So let's start. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Shehnaz means who? Rima's friend. And Shehnaz giggled. Giggle means very silly manner. She laughed and asked to the Malti. What she asked? Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked very rudely. Rudely means very insulted manner. Roughly. She speak with Malti very roughly. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, said Claire catily. Claire means what having? Again that one, Rima's friend. And catily means very unkindly. Unkindly she speak with Malti. She told Malti, skirt also wearing that one so long. Malti flushed. Flushed means she is very insulted. That is why her face became red and hot. So Malti flushed. She was about to say something. She wanted to say something to Claire and Shehnaz. But what happened? When teacher entered. In that time teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised. Why that one? Everyone was surprised because to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked question. Teacher asked any question and immediately Malti raise her hand and give answer to answer teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. Malti, that one answer given, that one all answer are correct having. And teacher nodded. Nodded means what that one? Nodded means teacher show yes, showing yes and appreciate her, means praise her. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. Recounted means all that happened in school, all that happened in class. Rima told her mother at home and all are listening after mother saying sounds. Sounds means what? I think Malti is a clever girl. Rima's mother told her. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. What she said that one? What is the use? Uncharitably means very unkindly or unfairly. Her English is so atrocious. How having her English? Atrocious means very poor or very bad. She is not speak very much. She can't speak English very much or that one fluently. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. Who said that one? Mr. Sen said you means what? Rima's Hindi having that one atrocious or Rima's Hindi having that one poor or bad. That is why Mr. Sen countered her like your Hindi, her English having. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That one having Rima's attitude, Rima's parents did not like. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. What they discussed? They discussed the matter means Rima's behavior. That one, they both also not like her behavior. What they discuss? See, we put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. But I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. Snob means what having? A person who thinks he or she is much better than others for some reason. Means she is always showing I am a good or I am a very smart but very rude manner. The following Saturday was the house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily plates sings also, she said sneerily to Claire. Means what happened in the her school having that one singing competition. So in that English category, Rima participate, and the category of Hindi, Malti participants. So in that time, how that one said that one, Claire, see, oily plates means they are given to nickname of that one Malti. Which one nickname given? Oily plates sings also, she said sneerily to Claire. Who said that one sentence? Claire said that one sentence. And what is the meaning of sneerily? Sneerily means in a nasty manner or very bad manner. Croaks, you mean? Giggled Claire. Giggle means again that one, laugh very silly manner. Croaks means what having? Croaks is a make a rough or low sound like a frog makes. Nobody like frog sound that one. And Claire said that one, croaks means that one frog sound. They were to be proved wrong. What they want to prove wrong? So Malti was not singing good. They were to be proved wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Means her singing is so nice, looking like she taking so well training from anybody. Rima and her gang had decided to cheer when Malti sang, but there was such an absolute silence. They did not dare to. Why that one they did not dare to? Because of her voice is so nice and she sang also very nicely. What is the meaning of cheer here? Cheer means make rude remarks in a loud voice. Means they are plan having. So in that time while Malti singing, so they are given rude loudly remarks to her and loudly remark to her. But what happened? Malti's singing was very nicely, absolutely melodious voice having her. So that is why they did not dare to, because of were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students, because her voice is very melodious, she sang very nicely, so that is why all are praised her. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize because she sang that one nicely. That is why she got first prize in Hindi category and Rima did come first in her category. Means both are that one won the prize in their categories. She felt no joy. But what happened? She felt no joy. What is the reason of she felt no joy? Rima felt not joy. She is not enjoy that one because of Rima disliked Malti and thought that she would be able to make fun of her singing. However, during the competition, Malti sang so beautifully, had such a melodious voice that the principal, teachers, students all clapped heartily. Rima, who was a snob and looked down on Malti, did not like this one bit. Therefore, she felt no joy even though she came first in her category. So, remaining lesson we learn next video. Thank you.